I'm going to go ahead and take shortening and more shortening because shortening is delicious. No, because shortening will actually make the fondant stick to the foam core board and to the cereal treats. Okay, so that is there like that. I think I'll make some little lines underneath. Maybe you're really not going to see much of this, but
well, unless you turn the cake upside down.
Yeah, which you never know.
Is that turtle belly?
Turtle belly.
Turtle
I think
belly.
I'll take a little of the orange and just kind of dust a little orange to give it a couple different colors. Maybe a little more orange. Turtle belly.
Turtle belly.
Questions while trying to get this color on? This brush isn't so good, so this is actually one that needs to be thrown away because it has brush hairs.
Ooh.
I know, because you don't want them thinking they're other kind, right?
Brush hairs. No,
I know, yes. Get those out of there.
Otherwise you'll have turtle hairs.
Yes. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring all of this up and around the front. And if there isn't enough shortening still on that fondant to wrap that around, then you need to put a little bit more. What are you laughing at?
I think it looks funny. I'm laughing at your
belly?
Your turtle belly.
Yep.
It's adorable.
What can you do? Okay, find the little openings there, and I'm going to go ahead and place that, kind of put it on. Okay, let me grab some chocolate. I don't want this to get too messy. Put a little chocolate on there so it sticks. I'd probably put a little bit more on if I wasn't on a time limit. But you know how I like to live on the edge, right?
True.
True.
I think that's the only
True
place you've ever
story.
lived.
Yes.
On the edge.
Yep. It's more fun that way.
This is cute just like that. You could just use it as, just as a little table setting.
Okay, and I'm just pushing this one green, the leg up a little bit so that you don't see where it's attached.
You know why you want your turtle level? If he's not level, he'll start to walk around in circles. We can't have that.
Oh, really? Is
No,
that a true story?
That's a true story.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, he's not really quite level.
I know. He'll stay in one little area.
Okay. All right, so then we will need, we probably should put a tail on here now before I put the cake on. So I'm just going to take some of the green, roll it into a ball, put your hands like this, roll it into a teardrop, a little bit more pointed. I think I'm going to press it here even though it would come out from, I don't know if I can get it to stay down there. So I'm going to do this, kind of have it hang down a little bit.
Ooh.
Ooh, look at that.
That way
Really
we know which
press it
way's the front end or the back end. We need to know.
Well, I guess that's
going to be the back.
That's the back now, right? Hopefully.
Tummy and
Some
tail.
little
So
lines.
far, so good.
Yeah, so far. Does it look like a turtle?
Kind of. Although the video actually looks, at least on my screen, really bright. A whole lot brighter than it does live. So he kind of looks like he's...
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Just the green part, right?
Yeah, green part.
Okay, then what I'll do is put the cake on. So I'll need a little bit of buttercream. I may as well use the green. Okay, so this is, again, this was using the Americolor green. Okay, and then I've got an 8-inch round cake here. And I'm actually going to place it in the middle. The oval's a little bit bigger than 8-inch, but don't worry about it. If I'm not worried, then you shouldn't be, right? You can put filling or whatever you want in here. I'll just put a little bit of buttercream. Delicious.
Delicious.
All right, and then this one, I don't know why that's cut out. I have no idea. But you
good.
really don't,
Okay,
but it works
good.
because I'm gonna cut it like that anyway, and it was in the freezer wrap, so I'm using it.
Wow.
But this is a 7-inch, so you don't bake it this way, you have to cut it after. So I'll go ahead and pop that right in the middle, like so.
Look at that.
And then I will take my handy dandy knife that I love, my serrated little knife here, and I will go ahead and just kind of cut all of this off, down,
Precise
Ooh.
carving.
And try, yes,
Look at that one.
precise.
Cake all over the
And
place.
try not to get his little tail.
Yeah, that would be bad.
That would be bad.